You seize the shared printer but cannot connect to it. How to fix the unable to connect to shared printer on local network error. Follow the steps. Add a guest account for the computer sharing the printer. Control panel. Category. Large icons. Credential Manager. Windows credentials. Add a Windows credential. Name or IP address of the computer sharing the printer on your local network. Desktop 1 is the name of the computer sharing the printer on my network. Username, guest, leave the password field blank. This is what I just added. Next, connect to the shared printer to check the result. Connection successful, error fixed. Check out more helpful tips on my channel.